everybody, this is Kim and I'm back again with another video, baby. And of course it's gonna be an alcohol beverage, adult beverage video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, shout out to you. Thank you for always coming back to my channel, checking my videos out. I really do appreciate that. But let's get into this video. Also, remember, drink responsibly. Don't be trying to overdo it. I'm just saying, drink responsibly. Okay, this is going to be on something that I absolutely love. And it's going to be on these slim shooters. Oh my goodness. And they got two different flavors. I cannot believe it. Now, I think I'm going to like these way more than I like the other ones. Oh my goodness. As you do see that they're a little bit smaller than the other ones. The other ones had the longer packs, but these look like they're half the size with more of the punch. 17.5% alcohol. Wow. And you could drink them cold or frozen. You could just pull them straight out the pack, open them up and drink them. This one is cream. This is their cream collection. As you see, these are the cream cocktails. And these are just like the berry flavors. I shouldn't say berry flavors because it looked like it has apple in it, raspberry. I don't know. I haven't even opened these yet. I am so excited to try these cream ones. You can purchase these at Sam's for basically like $18. It comes with 30 in the pack. Good. This one has raspberry lemonade, granny apple, coconut lime, black and blue, and just grape. 6 of each flavors. And this one has 5 of each flavors. It has a strawberry cheesecake, salted caramel pecan. You might say pecan, I say pecan. Peaches and cream, chocolate mint, oatmeal cookie, and banana cream. Oh my goodness. Full of goodness, full of yumminess. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to try these. These are party starters. They're easy. You don't have to worry about mixing any drinks or anything. Just grab a few of these and you're good to go. Okay, let's try. I'm going to try this coconut. The coconut lime. But these are just one hitters. Open it, drink it. Wow, that is good. Oh my goodness, this is good. I didn't think this coconut lime one would really be good, but it's yummy. This is good. Wow, that's good. You don't get a lot of liquor. So I'm gonna let y'all know this right now. Most of the time when you drink a beverage and you don't taste a lot of liquor, it'll sneak up on you. I'm just here to tell you. So be careful, drink responsibly. Just because they're very, very good doesn't mean you can't get twisted off of it. So please be careful. Even though these are little, they're 17% alcohol. So please be careful. They're yummy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna go for the raspberry lemonade. These are good. I think I like the coconut one better, but this is good. You really get that lemonade. Wow. 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 These are bangers, y'all. These are bangers. I'm just here to tell you, this is going to be a summer favorite. I already see it. So now let's try some of the cream ones. I'm going to go for this caramel one. Should I go for the, yeah. Now, you could most definitely taste the alcohol in the cream ones. An adult milkshake with liquor. That's what this tastes like. This is good. Yes. Yes. This tastes like a mudslide almost. If this is good. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be twisted. Woo. Drinking all of these, I'm gonna be twisted. I'm gonna do the banana cream. Let's see what this one tastes like. That's good. Like I said, most definitely would be really, really good. If you freeze them, you would get that like I said, like a milkshake. These would be really good frozen. But you don't have to freeze these. You can just pop these open and drink them. You don't have to freeze them. And I really like these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Even though I want to drink all of them and taste all of them, I probably shouldn't. Because like I said, drink responsibly. They are 17.5% alcohol. And you most definitely want to be careful because that's a lot of alcohol. Well, it's not a lot, but y'all know what I'm saying. These are available at Sam's. Only in the state of Missouri, Indiana, Wisconsin, Arizona, South Carolina, Ohio, Colorado, and Louisiana for basically $18. Reading my notes. So, I highly recommend these. I kind of wish that they were a little bit bigger, but the flavor... I highly recommend these. Amazing. Shout out to Slim Chillers for sending me these items. Amazing. I am highly impressed. I love them. I really, really like them. Most definitely going to get more. I would give this 1 out of 10. I would give this a 10. This is a must-have. Sam's, $18. Yummy flavor. Amazing. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Let me know did you try the last version of these? I think they had them in, I can't even remember the flavors, but I know they came with some vodka ones and then they came with some wine ones. I never tried the wine popsicles or freeze pops. I didn't try those, but these, amazing, 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 amazing. And I know I keep on saying that, but they're really, really good, y'all. Really good. Sam's, $18. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave me some comments at the bottom, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.